Hello and welcome back to Hashtag Food and More. Hope you all are doing good. I like to prep my house for the upcoming week. That way it helps me to go easy on myself and also to run the entire week smoothly. Today I am deep cleaning the refrigerator. Even though this is not something that I do every week, but I see there is a need for deep cleaning. I also washed all the trays and allowed it to sun dry. As a weekend routine, I had ordered some veggies and those have been delivered now. These are eco-friendly cloth bags which comes with a thin mesh, allowing me to see the vegetables that's kept inside. To store the leafy vegetables, lining the container with a paper towel or a cotton cloth is the best option. That way, it increases the shelf life of the leafy vegetables. I like to chop some veggies and store it in the refrigerator. It acts as a savior in the morning rush hours. Or on a day when I haven't planned my meal, I can just grab them and cook a meal within no time. That way I can avoid ordering the food from outside. I like to air dry the curry leaves and then store it in the refrigerator, and I think it has a longer shelf life than when it is stored as it is. I had soaked the ginger for some time in the water and I've cleaned it nicely and it is air dried now. I'm storing it in a glass container and I have not peeled the skin. Ginger, when stored along with the skin, does not become soggy or mushy and has a good shelf life. Cleaning of refrigerator made me feel exhausted. At times, these chores can be overwhelming. I'm going to make a quick meal now. Since it's hot outside, I'm planning to make dahi curry along with the cowpea dish as a combination. In a pan, I'm going to slightly roast 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds along with 1 tablespoon of khaskhas. I'm going to blend this corrosely with some water. A while ago it was hot and now it's raining. Bangalore's weather has become so unpredictable. So I dropped the idea of making curry. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil and seasoning it with a tablespoon of mustard seeds, curry leaves and dry red chilies. I'm adding the chopped veggies now along with the grounded paste of yellow mustard seeds and khaskhas, followed by chopped tomatoes and salt as per taste. Since the ingredients are very minimum, it's light on your tummy and a perfect summer dish. You can sprinkle some water if needed, however, I did not. Cover the lid and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring it occasionally. It's about 15 minutes now and I think the vegetables are cooked well. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Thank you for staying till end. If you have found my video useful, do consider subscribing to my channel. See you soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.